Yeah, nation paper. Skillibeng scared the hell out of the vendetta supporters them. What me say? Yes, yes, yes. He sure did. Scare the hell out of the whole of them. You see what me say? Them there they chat about new rules and this and that. When them hear the new splash, Skillibeng new signing, Skillibeng new album, Skillibeng have major artists on him album. We not tell one of them name. Wop 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 wop. Fuck uno. Oh, uno bombo uno. Yo, from Skillibeng, drop the remix with Nicki Minaj. All of a sudden, all the youth are face a be a heritage on the internet. In style no good no more. This and that. Skillibeng this, Skillibeng that. Criticize the man style. Criticize the man. I try bring down the man. Just because Skillibeng I drop some song where they get millions of views in a couple of days and all them shit there. Him take away the internet from Alkaline and never like that. That's why we need to try for blacklist him. Uno bombo uno. You see where go on? Tell you all the while, you know, about the stone where the blood clot builder refuse, you know. As it becomes the head cornerstone, don't it? Yeah. So the things, you could have black out Skillibeng and it go like that. You know mad? The brick from brick artist. The man who say him learn all the rascal techniques from the teacher himself. Eh? Boop, 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 boop. Wop, 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 wop. Wop, 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 wop. I see how to deal with that now. You know what I mean? But I see how to deal with that. You see what I say? Yeah. The whole on the gang up on the youth. This, that, Skillibeng, this, that. Him not drop certain song. No, switching them out now, you know, boy. Because the same song, them the youth drop where I give him the acknowledgement all over the world, you know. So no one tell the man to speed up him shit, you know. Feed sound wicked to fool no blood clot is like a uno alone listen music, uno buy music. Last time the youth drop him album, the whole of no skin no blood clot teeth. You see what I say? The whole of no skin on the teeth when you see the blood clot numbers. You know buy music. The man have to do blood clot music for make people who buy blood clot music can hear him and understand what I say. Uno bumbo uno. Deal with that now. The blood clot down, you can play with the east side artists. The youth versatile and wicked no blood clot. And me been tell him say Skilly, wop wop wop, I gotta take over the whole blood clot summer. The topic alone. You don't need no more lyrics in that blood clot. Wop wop wop. In a way. America, I must be mad your blood clot, man. The whole place rip up, tear up. I want me to tear. Skillibeng, turn it up, you know. Gun it up and burn it up. Make them boy know what time it is. I want me to know. Bumbo clot, don't know, understand yourself. Try violate the youth. You know what I mean? And I go like say some man I sing some spectacular thing where the man now do. And I try violate the youth and I steal it that right now.
What's up, buddy?
It's good, my brother. Good. Yeah. What you Kick out. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. And a gimmicks thing. Eh? I try blacklist the youth. I want to hear the terrific news. Boy feel like him, boy dumb, and boy want to switch him out now. Telling you something, man. Switching can't go on, you know. I'm calling out instantly, you know. I'm watching, you know. I downgrade the youth, you know. Watching, you know, try to belittle the man career, you know. Respect. Watching, you know. You know what I mean? Yeah. Watching, you know, try to belittle the youth career, you know. Watching, you know, just because, you know, collaboration with Nicki Minaj, you know. And boy want question, all of a sudden boy want question the youth ability, you know. After, you know, fish color, you know, use the man blood clot style, you know, and find blood clot hit song, you know. And none of them tell Alkaline say bumbo clot. Oh the fuck you come and use that down in a Skillibeng era like that? Nobody no blood. Why I? Watch. Nobody not tell Alkaline how the fuck you in the man style like that. No, I troll him. Troll your bumbo clot. Troll what? I thief the man style. Where I come and talk about? You think Skillibeng could have do that to him? Or you not hear the rest? Eh? Thief the man style, get a hit song out of it, and una tell man about him a troll the man. Troll what? What do you mean by troll? A thief the man lyrics and the man style. The man, how the man flow. You know what I mean? You think the man could have do that too, you know? Eh? I wanna hear the blood clot rest. Eh? More want to see how wanna deal with that now. Cause remember, you know, we don't shush him off the whole of 2021, you know. Remember that, you know. We don't shush him off after the collaboration drop, you know. They say everything him drop a fuckery, you know, my brother. You see what I say? And when him rascal, give you a sneak preview of a wap, you know. Pam bum buckler, TikTok, you know. You see say it's shot, you know. You see what I say? And when the man do drop the song now, it's not comfortable to phone the ears. So you lick out on it. Yeah, you lick out on it. Because the song no sound like what you want it for blood clot sound. And not so blood clot music go. You not buy blood clot album. You not buy music and it proven. The youth drop him album and when the numbers come out I laugh. All of you laugh. The whole of you laugh and skin on no blood clot teeth. Switch on a blood clot more make me soon you know jockstrap sniffers. Cause you know me not easy, you know. You know what time it is, you know. You know what high grade me smoke and me not bun beady, you know. Switch on a blood clot mouth no bitch. Eh? Switch on a mouth make 10 stars see. That's why I say if me not sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. You know what time it is, a loud blood clot explosion bout ya. Wap. Talk to that. More see some boy talk to that right now. You see all the big man code that black. You know what I mean? Love off the wap. No for to start all a worry and a shit and I wonder if a collaboration coming. Me know. But I believe me no know. I want me to know, no take me easy. You know how high grade me smoke. 10 star no bun beady. Eh? You don't think you do that get to it? You think you do that pass and you get to it? Eh? You don't work them way, them, my brother. No time at all. You can't violate the east side artists as you don't feel like, as you don't want, and things are so the thing go. We don't roll them way, them, my brother. You see what I say? Yeah. No form of joke, no gimmicks, no the inner thing. You know what I mean? You can't deal with the east side artists like that. You see what I say? Him ability show you that. Each time when I criticize the youth and get on top of him and I try for rascal, binnacle him career. Every time when I do that, when I hear some remarkable news. The last time when I do that, we go on. A big collaboration with Nicki Minaj. You see what I say? Shell down the whole blood clot place. No, we don't like that. Because I guess we don't like the way all the youth are roll. So we don't do now. So we don't try to binnacle him career. Same now drop no good song. Where him for this, him for that. Like, you need ever give the man the idea of dropping a bumbuckler song. Oh, no know about Skillibeng, no true bumbuckler dropping song business. So you want to instruct the man and tell the man how to deal with them bumbuckler thing. After the same lyrics, bring him which part him there. You know what I mean? And the same lyrics make you know him. And all of a sudden it's not good for phone ears no more. You know what I mean? Because what? He might get too much highlight, right? And all on the artists who want claim and chop up wicked blood clot lyrics and I go on with wicked rhyme and all kind of blood clot. Them now get the highlight like what them on a bomb or a clot get. But I want me there and I wait for you on a switch in them out. At the general, you know, the 10-star one. I represent. Wap, 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 wap. What?